Wow, full of green. So cool to see. Uh-oh, I forgot it. Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Hey, Momo, what are you doing here?
I do want to meet your friends.
Okay, let me introduce. Hi, friends. This is Momo, my best friend. Let me join him. Okay, come in.
Thank you. Are you enjoying the nature? The nature is so beautiful, isn't it? But why we can't see anything in the night time? Why we can't see any object inside the dark room?
Because there's no light in the dark room.
Yes, let it switch on. Now we can see every object.
Yes.
Today we learn about light.
Oh, I'm very excited.
I'm very excited too. Light only helps us to see anything in the whole world.
Yes, you know that already.
Okay. Do you know where the light coming from?
I know, it's from sun.
Yes, you are right. Sun is the natural source of light. But we have artificial source too. That are candle, electrical light, etc. Do you know light only help the plants and trees to produce energy that called photosynthesis?
Ho! I don't know before. I'm waiting for that. Now we know about light.
Yes, we will learn some cool facts about light. Did you see light coming through the window? Or did you see light coming from branches of trees? Did you notice the path of light? Next time, you should notice the path of light. Then you're surprised. It is straight line. Yes, the light always travels in a straight line. It can't change the path when there is no object coming on its way.
When object coming on its way, what's happened?
Good question. Depending upon the object, the light gets reflect or refract. We will learn about later.
What are you going to tell today?
Don't get angry. Today we will do some experiment to prove that light travel in a straight line.
I want to tell. The first experiment need 4 cardboard, 1 candle, 1 needle. We put holes in 3 cardboards. In the same place, place the cardboard in a straight line. Put the cardboard without hole in the last place.
Now we bloom the candle.
Correct. Adjust the candle. Straight the hole in the cardboard. Now you can see the light travels in a straight line.
If you move any cardboard in the middle, we can't see the light. So, from this experiment, we know about light that is travel in a straight line. Right.
Isn't there any more experiments? Excited.
I have another special experiment. That is pinhole camera.
Pinhole camera? Now we're going to do camera?
It's a kind of. For that we need black color chart paper. Use the scale to draw 2 different size rectangles.
Use the scissors to cut the paper out. Friends, use the grown-up help to cut the paper. Be careful.
Correct. Make sure papers are in different size. Roll one paper like cylinder tube. Use tape to connect the edges of the paper like a tube.
Now it's ready.
Do the same for another paper. Make sure one is bigger than other and check it whether small one go inside the big one or not.
Now we got 2 paper tubes.
Now we need to close 2 sides of small tube and 1 side of big tube. For that, take the big tube and put it on the black chart paper. Take a rough measurement that is need not to be accurate and cut it out.
Use the glue, fix the big tube with paper.
Now, take the small tube. This time, we take a white paper. Take the rough measure of one side and cut it out with scissors carefully. Please ask grown-up help. Apply glue on it and fix it. Now we are going to close another side of small tube. Use black chart paper. Take the same rough measurement and cut it out. Use glue to fix it on the other side. Now we got both sides closed. Use tape to cover the white paper to make sure it will not come out easily. Take some coconut oil or any cooking oil to apply on the white paper so it acts as a screen. Now we use safety pin or needle, make the hole at the center in a big paper tube. Next, make a big hole where we can see through eyes. It's in black side of small tube. Now, both are ready. Now we put small tube inside the big tube. White paper side is going first. Now, our equipment is ready. See this beautiful scene. When you see this scenery through our pinhole camera, the upside down scene will appear on our white paper oil screen. Adjust the big tube and small tube to see the clear image. Get closer. Wow! You can see clearly. The tree is upside down.
Wow! The tree is upside down. Hey! We got it!
The theory behind pinhole camera is this. When the light behind the object travels in the straight line, the top side of the image passes through the hole of the big tube and reach the bottom side of the white oil paper screen. The same happened for bottom side of image. So we got upside down, that is inverted image in our screen. Hooray! We proved that light travels in a straight line.
Friends, you also try the pinhole camera in your home. It's so interesting. So, today we learn about light. Bye, friends. Thanks for watching. Click the red color button to subscribe. Kindly subscribe.